Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm back with another sketchbook painting. I'm almost at the end of this sketchbook right now, just one more painting to go. So I'm kind of looking forward to start my new sketchbook. And today I'll be painting blue orchids with the full moon in the background. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm sketching out the orchids. There's gonna be like a orchid bud facing downwards, another facing on the right, and the main orchid in the middle, with a couple of leaves at the bottom. Once I'm done with my drawing, I'm going to start painting these first 3 petals in a very light shade of pale lilac, and then these 2 other petals I'm going to paint them in baby blue. And then I'm going to use the same colors and paint the petals of the orchid facing right. So in the middle of the orchid, there are kind of these horn-shaped things sticking out, and I'm going to paint them in Prussian blue. And then I'm also going to kind of shade this petal that is sticking out. I'm going to paint the base in Prussian blue, and I'm going to use turquoise, and I kind of drag the paint out so that it blends. And I'm going to repeat that for this orchid bud over here. So darker shade for this, we start with Prussian blue and then we shade it down with turquoise blue. Once the petals are all painted, I'm going to outline the lighter petals with Prussian blue. So because these are kind of very thin lines, so I'm using a size 000 brush for this. Once I'm done outlining the flowers, I'm going to take the same paintbrush and I'm going to dip it in pearl white or silver. And for the lilac petals, I'm going to drag these kind of like thin brush strokes out from the top of the petal to the middle of the petal. And for the baby blue colored petals, I'm going to use gold, and I'm going to kind of do the same thing, but instead of going from the outer part of the petals to the inner side, I'm going to work from the inside and I'm going to work my way outside. Because the larger ones has like a bigger surface, so I'm going to kind of just cover the whole thing with very tiny delicate strokes of the paintbrush, and I'm going to do the same for all the darker colored petals. Next, we're going to be painting the stem and the leaves. So for the stem, I'm actually using a lighter shade of green, and then I want to start by painting the leaves on the outer side first. And I'm going to be painting them in a darker shade of green, and as I go towards the middle, I'm going to paint them in a lighter shade of green. Sometimes I like to add a little bit of lemon yellow to my green so it looks a bit more striking, and that's what I'm doing over here. And then for the middle part, I just kind of like blend the 2 colors together so it goes from dark to light. Once I've finished painting the leaves, I'm going to do the same thing with it. I'm going to take a paintbrush and I'm going to drag the brush from top to bottom using gold paint. Once that is done, we're going to paint the full moon in the background, and I'm going to mix orange with a little bit of yellow so you get a very warm shade of yellow for the moon. So here's a close-up shot of how I use a size 000 brush to paint around the flowers so that the orange paint won't overlap the orchid. So for the background, I'm going to paint it in a very dark shade of Prussian blue mixed with dioxazine violet and just a hint of black. Once the background is covered, I'm going to outline everything in gold. Before I started this piece, I was contemplating between outlining it with silver or gold, but I find that the blue and gold go so well together, and I think it would match a lot easier with the moon in the background. For all these really thin strokes or outlines, I find that the size 000 fine liner brush does the job perfectly. Then once you're done outlining it, it is finished. I hope you like this simple painting, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Goodbye.